pull the birthday train. The boys and girls are waiting for you.
Pokeball in the claw machine! Oh, diamonds! Round 2, here we go, Pokeball. We're gonna go! Diamonds! I don't want fabulous wealth, I want the Pokeball! Got really good aim this time, it's right over. Oh, diamonds! Diamonds are useless since they fixed that exploit with the jewelry store robot. I'm just tired of getting them in the claw machine when we... Oh, hey, cool, a Pokemon! Oh! Just diamonds. So many diamonds. I'm not complaining about being rich, though. It's cool to go to a collectibles store and be able to buy all my own merchandise. I'm just so desperate for it to be a Pokemon again. It gets... Oh, diamonds! Don't you dare, Chaos Control me, Chef. Okay, I figured it out. It's like a dungeon riddle. I just have to want the diamonds. Oh, those diamonds are so cool. I can't wait to have the... Oh, is that Pikachu? Oh! Okay, that one's on me. I broke concentration. If I don't stop getting diamonds soon, I'll certainly get the diamond curse and be paralyzed like all those other diamond shoppers. I just gotta start over. Let's see what we can find. Oh! Life-size Pokemon!
Emmett is enjoying his morning fruit in Apocalypseburg. Little does he know, someone's after the city's apples and grapes.
Hang on, Planny.
We are gonna save our apples and grapes.
You can go on an adventure and find apples and grapes with...
Come on, Timmy! I know you can do it!
Some fun, some food, it's all inside this Happy Meal.
Timmy. I know you can do it. You are a really useful engine. Join the full movie of Skylanders Adventure of The Little Engine That Could.